Welcome to this Broadcom course, Onboarding for Automic SaaS. This course describes the process of onboarding as a new Automic SaaS customer. In this video, we provide an overview for the overall procedure, which we explore in detail later on. The purpose of this course is to provide the complete procedure from the point of decision all the way to a working SaaS environment, in which you'll be in a position to design your automation configurations. Both customers and Broadcom are responsible for a number of actions that fall in two groups: communications and instance enablement. Later in the course, we'll show how to add new agents to your instance. Automation configuration design falls outside of this course. This requires standard knowledge of the application, and a large volume of learning solutions are available for those topics in our catalog. Note that onboarding processes are fully documented on Broadcom's Automic documentation portal, under SaaS Getting Started Admins. In this video, we outline the procedure, which we explore in greater detail later on. The first phase covers the initial exchange and selecting a privileged point of contact. You will need to select an individual internally to interface with Broadcom. This person oversees the technical relationship between the two organizations. You'll also share the technical details of your operations so that we can size the instance appropriately. This means job volume estimates as well as systems and applications to determine the number and type of agents. In turn, Broadcom sends you the first email to welcome you to Automic SaaS. This initial communication contains a number of details, confirms the contact person's information, your account, and serial number. If you haven't already done so, you register on the Broadcom customer portal as the primary channel for technical communications, as well as the status portal, where you will find valuable information about current and future service events. The email also prompts you to share the details of your network IPs so that Broadcom can whitelist them. Broadcom also sends the second email, which contains all the details of the instance: URLs, FTP account, and other information of the same nature. The second phase involves testing the SaaS instance for availability. Use a browser or telnet the JCP port, enter the REST API and AWI URLs in a browser, and log in the SFTP account to make sure they are all reachable. At this point, you can start work. Generate additional users and clients. You've established that you're able to download your operational data archives from SFTP. You should build a simple Automic mechanism involving the FTP agent to automate this entire process. You should read about Broadcom's maintenance schedule for the SaaS instance, especially in regard to the deployment of main and minor Automic releases. The initial steps are complete. You can start adding agents to your configuration. We'll provide a full demo of this process in the course. Let's recap. You send the privileged point of contact to Broadcom. Broadcom sends you the welcome email. You register on the support and status portals. Broadcom whitelists your systems and sends you the second email with the details of the instance. You use this information to test the JCP, REST API, AWI, and SFTP. You create additional users and clients. You deploy an automated procedure to download your operational data archives. You acknowledge the maintenance schedule. You start connecting your systems and applications via agents. Ready to level up your skills for free? Broadcom Software Academy is your go-to hub for top-quality free training. Visit the Academy and start learning your way or explore something new. Our free content is just a click away.